How to buy $VINE crypto token. How to buy Solana MEMECOIN RUS Dev VINECOIN COINEX MEXC Raydium SOL. Sup everybody, Helper Dog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VINECOIN. Now, this token is exploding right now. It's got a gigantic market cap, a huge 24-hour trading volume, and it's up 353,000%. Pretty insane. This token just launched 12 hours ago, and it's trending #1 in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Plus, it just got a brand new central exchange listing, and probably tons of others coming soon. We're going to go over all the info about the token, talk about how you can get it, and break it all down in just 1 second. But before we dive into that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information, so take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there are a ton of referral codes down in the description box. Check them out for the best crypto apps where you can get free money, free rewards, free crypto, and things like that, just by using those referral codes and funding your account. It's real simple, and referral codes benefit both of us. So, check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token. VINECOIN overview. This token is called VINECOIN, with the ticker symbol VINE. Today, January 23rd, it got listed on some huge exchanges. Just this morning, it was listed on Gate.io at 10 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, Bitmart at the same time, LBank at 5 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, and CoinEx Global at 8:30 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. There's even talk of it being listed on Binance soon, though that hasn't been confirmed yet. It's already available on exchanges like Gate.io, Bitmart, LBank, and CoinEx. How to get VINECOIN. CoinEx Global. If you don't have an account with CoinEx Global, I've got a referral code down in the description box for you. It's super simple. Just sign up, fund your account with USDT, go to the trade section, search for VINE, and buy the token. Done. Decentralized way. If you prefer a decentralized exchange, DEX, VINECOIN is also available on Raydium, a DEX on the Solana blockchain. To do this, you would need a wallet that supports Solana tokens like Solflare, Phantom, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. Then, fund your wallet with SOL, go to Raydium, and swap SOL for VINECOIN. The contract address is available on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, and SolScan, or you can find it in the creator's pinned tweet on Twitter. VINECOIN stats. Market cap, $297 million. 24-hour trading volume, $711 million. Liquidity pool, $5.5 million. 98.95% of total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price, approximately 28 cents per token. Created 12 hours ago on Raydium. Holders, 6,976. Liquidity providers, 36 on Raydium. The story behind VINECOIN. VINECOIN was created to bring back the fun and community spirit of the original Vine app, which was a platform for sharing 7-second videos. If you remember, Vine was home to tons of viral creators like Logan Paul, King Bach, Jake Paul, and many others who got their start making funny and creative videos. The original Vine app was eventually shut down, but VINECOIN is here to celebrate the legacy of Vine and the power of creativity. According to the creator, Russ, VINECOIN is all about togetherness and self-expression. He mentions that profits from the project will be donated to X, formerly Twitter, a platform known for free speech and creative expression. Tokenomics. Dev tokens. The creator has committed not to sell any dev tokens, which is a positive sign for the long-term health of the project. Burned and locked tokens. A significant portion of the liquidity is locked and burned, which helps reduce the risk of price manipulation. Final thoughts. VINECOIN is definitely one to watch. In just 12 hours, it's already made a massive impact with nearly $1 billion in trading volume. It's available on multiple exchanges, and the Solana blockchain helps ensure low fees and fast transactions. As always, do your own research before making any investments. VINECOIN is a meme coin, and as with all meme coins, the market can be volatile. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about VINECOIN? Is it something you'd invest in? Like this video and subscribe for daily crypto updates, where I break down the latest coins and tokens. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.